7 breakfast ideas that take 5 minutes to make. 1. Peanut butter overnight oats. You do need to set aside the 5 minutes to make this breakfast the night before you actually eat it, but that just means you save even more time in the morning. Give the honey, oats, milk, and banana enough time to hang out while you're asleep, so that you've got a sweet, chewy bowl to enjoy chilled or warmed up when the sun, and you, rise. 2. Quick and easy avocado toast. There's a reason avocado toast is so freaking popular. It's loaded with healthy fats, it's delicious, and it's quick. This recipe is also super customizable. Use any bread you like and keep it simple with the blogger's version of hemp seeds and cucumber, or go nuts with additional veggies or drizzles of hot sauce. 3. Super healthy breakfast bowl. Keep cool on even busier days with this chilled fruit and yogurt bowl. It's a quicker, deconstructed parfait, and with flax seeds and chia seeds adding healthy fats, it's both light and filling at the same time. 4. 5-minute cinnamon pecan baked breakfast apple. Fruit and yogurt parfaits are refreshing, but there's nothing like a hot meal to comfort you before a hectic day ahead, especially one that tastes like dessert. With zero added sugar, healthy fats from the pecans, and a dollop of yogurt to complement the gooey microwaved apples, this bowl is the breakfast equivalent of a warm hug. 5. Protein breakfast sandwich. Crammed with protein from the black beans, egg, and spinach, this sandwich takes just 5 minutes to make but will keep you full for hours. We're into math like that. 6. Paleo instant oatmeal. When it comes to eating paleo, planning meals in advance is all the more important. Make breakfast a no-brainer with this 4-ingredient bowl. It looks and tastes like oatmeal, but it's actually a fluffy concoction of mashed banana, almond flour, and shredded coconut. You won't miss the grains at all. 7. 2-minute scrambled eggs. Microwaved meals in mugs can be lifesavers when you're in a pinch but don't want to resort to buying breakfast outside. This one goes above and beyond where saving time is concerned, nuked and ready to go in just 2 minutes. We recommend throwing some spinach in there to get a quick fix of veggies too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Do subscribe and stay with us.